Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In part 3 of a random road trip from Greensburg, Louisiana to New Orleans, we begin on I-55 South, concurrent with US 51 South as we cross Pass Manchac, which is the southern boundary of the Florida parishes and the northern boundary of St. John Parish. The pass is the waterway connecting Lake Maurepas to Lake Pontchartrain. We're about 15 miles from the southern terminus of I-55 in the town of Laplace. The remainder of I-55 is elevated over the Manchac Swamp. As we approach the end of I-55, US 51's concurrency ends, taking exit 1, which provides the only connection between I-55 South and I-10 West. I-55 continues as a flyover to merge with I-10 East at the western end of the Bonnie Carey Spillway Bridge. The spillway's flood control structure is in St. Charles Parish at the Mississippi River, and the I-10 bridge crosses the edge of Lake Pontchartrain at the northern end of the spillway's floodplain, and then a marsh including the Bayou La Branche wetlands. The spillway and floodplain are located entirely in St. Charles Parish, and the bridge is patrolled by St. Charles Parish Sheriff's deputies, but the only exit from I-10 in St. Charles Parish is at I-310, at the far eastern end of the parish. All of I-10 in the parish is elevated over water and marsh, and there's no way to exit I-10 directly to ground level without getting onto I-310 or leaving the parish. An elevated three-legged directional interchange connects I-10 to I-310 here, and the bridge will end shortly as we enter Jefferson Parish. When the bridge touches down, we will have been on a bridge over water, swamp, and marsh for just over 34 miles. We conclude today's video just past mile marker 221 on I-10 as we enter Jefferson Parish in the city of Kenner. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.